Hi everyone, I'm Benicia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you what I do to prepare my workspace for when I'm going to create my skincare products. And today I'm creating a firming jelly face mask. I'm preparing the kitchen and getting it all cleaned up. It is very important to have my hair in a bonnet because I do not like my hair to be out while I'm making skincare products, just to avoid anything falling into my customers' skincare. While I'm getting everything cleaned up, I'm listening to some music in the background, so you can kind of see me jamming out a little bit. I like to wipe down my counters with Clorox wipes as it helps to get rid of bacteria. Most of the counter space I'm not going to use, but I like to just keep a clean kitchen anyways. Keeping the floors clean is important as well, so everything must be spick and span. I'm gonna get into setting up my workspace now. I have this iridescent tablecloth that I purchased from Amazon for aesthetics when I record and take photos for social media content. I'm spreading it out on my counter and sanitizing it with some rubbing alcohol that I put in a small spray bottle. I spray the alcohol on my scale that I'm going to be using to weigh my ingredients. I got this scale from Amazon too. I'll link everything below that I'm using in the description box. Here are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using for my face masks. I get a lot of my ingredients from Formulator Sample Shop and Apothecary and Make Your Own Buzz and a few others, but this is just to name a few. In the background, I'm opening all the jars and sterilizing those with rubbing alcohol and just letting them dry out so that way they'll be ready to use by the time I'm done combining all of my ingredients. I spray the inside of the jars, and I also spray the inside of the lids, and I put everything face down so no particles in the air, such as dust or little fibers, land inside the jars. I like to keep everything as sterile as possible. I love these jars so much. These jars are so pretty. I bought them from Alibaba, and the company I buy from are all the way in China, so it took a long time for these to finally come through in shipping. I think it took like maybe 2 to 3 months. I can't really remember because I purchased these a long time ago. I sterilize and sanitize everything before I use it. My mixing bowl, my beakers, my scale, my jars, my work area, my blenders, everything has to be extremely sanitized because my skincare products go out to people. Sanitation is so important when you're dealing with food, skincare, and anything else that people are going to be putting into their body onto their body. I'm combining some of my ingredients and I'm weighing all of the ingredients for accuracy. I'm blending everything up with my emulsion blender, getting it all worked in. I'm going to show you guys the consistency and texture here in a bit when I'm done. I launched my skincare business this February of 2023, and my business is called Agape Skincare. I've had this in the works for about 2 years now, and just now getting it going. A lot of hurdles had to jump through, but hey, that's life. Look at that. I don't think you're ready for that, Jelly Honey. This is the consistency that I want. I get so excited when I'm making skincare products. It's so fun, and it's like being a kitchen chemist. I love so much. I get to be creative, but also, we have to make sure we're safe and we're not doing anything that we don't know what we're doing. And believe me, I got this in the bag. So I would not be putting anything together and selling it if it was going to burn or blister or harm people. I actually use my products that I make. I use this jelly mask on my face and it has reduced my pores. I'm going to make a video of how to use it, and then you get to see the texture of my face afterwards. So yeah, look out for that soon. One of the key ingredients in this mask is asparagus extract, which does a phenomenal job firming and smoothing the skin. If you're acne prone or prone to oily skin, you will benefit from this mask a lot. I was inspired to start my business during the pandemic. Most of us experience lack of having access to places where we can get our beauty catered to, which was virtually impossible in a lot of areas. I know it was for me, so I decided, hey, I'm gonna take care of myself. I still wanna do all the things I love to do for myself that I can't get in a spa right now, so let me go ahead and make it happen. Now you can see me spooning my concoction into my jars. These jars are frosted, so they're not all the way see-through, but you can sort of see in them a little bit. I thought these were just really gorgeous and gave off a luxury aesthetic because that is what I want to give. We don't do low quality and cheap ingredients over here, and you're going to get the best quality ingredients with my products when you shop with me. I like to measure the pH balance of the skincare products that I make, and I measured this off camera. I have a skin pH measurer, and I'm going to link that in the description box as well. If you're somebody who wants to start a skincare business, hopefully some of the things that I'm using will be useful or helpful to you. I'm pretty much done here, just getting everything bottled up, jarred up, and it smells like roses. Oh my gosh. And this product is called Divine Rose. You are going to love it. Visit my website and, come shop with me. Come see what I have going on. You're going to love my products. I'm actually going to test this out on myself. The white stuff on my hands, it's just powder from the gloves, so not to worry. This was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think.